out again for another morning walk at the gardens, Botanical Gardens in Manukau City, Auckland. Beautiful sunny day, so I took the opportunity to go out and have an exercise and enjoy the nature at the same time. And look at this beauty in here. I love how that little bridge is framed with the trees, big trees, and I can hear the water from that little creek down there. It's nice to have a coffee, and I can hear a cop car as well. Let's go down and walk to that little bridge. I can hear birds. I think some are just waking up. That one, I can hear it. Beautiful. Wow. Amazing sound. The birds chirping. So I went down this little creek. It's actually clear, the water in there. The kids would love to have a little play in there if they're here. Better go back up. And this flowers in here, a few more months and they will come out. They're actually very pretty. They're one of my favorites. They got yellow, pink, different colors down there. A few more months. Let's listen to the birds again, eh? Few people walking early, not too many. Early birds like me already out and about. See you later, birds. Nice. Manukau Botanical Gardens, Auckland City, New Zealand. Till next time.